Hi, my name is Danica, and today I'm going to be trying my Jack Lashes by LoveSeen. So I like to be a little extra when I'm doing my lashes, so I have a couple of things that I use. First off, I have a curler, a mirror,
on the wall,
my glue, tweezers, mascara, and of course, my LoveSeen lashes. Honestly, I only got into fake lashes during quarantine. I love to wear my LoveSeen lashes during Zoom calls because it makes me look awake. So the first thing I do, I grab my curler and I curl my eyelashes. Now my lashes are curled. So I have my lash over here. I'm going to pull it from the outside. Oh, so carefully. I'm going to bend it like so. And of course, I'm going to add some glue. So while I wait for this to get tacky, which is about 30 seconds, I'm going to put some on my lash line so that it's kind of like a magnet where it sticks a little bit stronger and longer. And don't worry if you get it everywhere because it's going to dry anyway, but you only really need a little bit. Now I'm gonna get my lash. She is beauty, she is grace. Boom! One eye done, the next one to go. I have my mascara over here. Just do a little brush.
Well, I'm ready for my close-up.
I mean, look at that volume. Who is she? Thank you for watching.